a quick brush up of that. Okay, and besides, I have uploaded a book on SQL for a quick reference. Okay, do you have access to this folder?
Let me check.
Spotfire
Which
common
folder?
document. Spotfire common documents.
No.
Okay, I'll add. There you will find documents on SQL. Okay.
Okay.
You have syntaxes, quick reference, and you will see a document on supply chain management, KPI. I want you to look at similar documents for other domains which you are preparing. Say if you just insurance or banking, then you'll have to pull another document for that. Then there is a information dashboard design, which I recommend you to read. It's just a 160-page document. It talks about how to design dashboards and how not to design dashboards. And then there is the new features in Spotfire 6. Okay. Okay. Take a look at that. Now, okay. So let me see this. Hey, there are some other 10 dashboards on the Spotfire cloud server. Did you download all of them?
10 dashboards.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'm going to make you the presenter, Vasundhara. Okay. From file, Spotfire, click on open from library.
File.
Open from library. Click OK. Okay, samples. See, there are 10 dashboards. One of them is budgetizer that you are looking at right now. So open each of them one by one and save it to the local file system with as embedded in the data embedded in analysis. Double click on beverage sales. Okay. So we stopped on graphical table. Oh, whoa, that's me talking.
How much time it is taking, Varun, sir?
It's like a couple of minutes. Less than that.
No, for me it's open.
You guys tried it out? Oh, like that's me talking. Until like where you left off. Can you please stop that? Hello? Oh, so last time we discussed graphical table. I hope you tried it out. Satish, Sudheer, Vasundhara.
Sales.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vasundhara, I think tried it out. Vasundhara, you too, right? Vasundhara, just your machine, it seems. I mean, the video is playing. Vasundhara,
Then what I will do now?
Try it out. Oh, okay. It was being played on my machine. I'm sorry. I accidentally clicked on a video file on the Google Drive. Oh, sorry. Okay, now save this file. Click on File. Yeah, embedded. Click on OK. So you go through this dashboard. So this will give you another perspective. We have been working on a data set called Budgetizer. This is another data set.
Where it is? 1 second, sorry.
No, these are not data sets. These are dashboards.
Dashboard. Okay. Okay, I'll change later. Yeah, I'll change later, Varun.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. So like that, I want you to open all the 10 dashboards. Now you are done beverage sales. There are 9 remaining, including Budgetizer. I want you to open all of them and save it to the local file system, everybody, so that you can look at other dashboards too, and that will give you an idea of how dashboards in real time look like. Okay, not now. You can do it later. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. I'm taking back the control. Okay. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Now let's. We got a couple of property controls remaining. list box and list box multiple select, and okay, 3 slider too. So we'll see them one by one. First, let's see slider. There I'm going to add a string, sorry, integer. I'm going to add 3, and then I'm going to say it is a numerical range starting from 1 to 10 with an interval value of 1. See that? Okay. Do you see that? Slider control and action. You have already seen the input box. This is another way of doing it.
Okay.
I guess it's simple, right? I mean, like, you already understand the funda there.
Yeah, we have done for list box or something, right?
No, not for list box. Input box.
Okay.
So let's see the list box too. Here, see, we can give some fixed values if you want, which means you'll have to type out those values. See? Which is like a little cumbersome, right? So that's why we try to avoid fixed values, just in case the data changes, and the fixed values will remain the same. So which is one of the reasons why we try to pick the unique values in a column rather than typing in the fixed values. But you type in fixed values in cases where you cannot avoid it.
I mean, which scenario we are going to use fixed value?
Say you want to pull in values to show you the drop down, which is not there in any of the data, in any of the data table. But say something like this: you want to change the display name. Based on a control, and you say show all values. Show 10 values. Okay, this is a fictitious case. Otherwise, what we would do is we will use a drop down to or a list box to trigger some Iron Python scripting. Okay, then you'll possibly add something in a fixed value, and then based on the value the drop down, you'll do that.
Okay.
Custom, custom list.
Okay.
So here let me pull in unique values from column. say department.
Yeah, this one only we have to do.
No, we have done drop down. We didn't do list box.
Okay.
See, it's single select list box.
Yes.
When if I select multiple, only one will be selected. Then there is multiple select list box. Here I can select multiple things, but in this I can select only one.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So we've seen the slider, drop down list, input box, input field, got that. Then did I tell you about the bookmarks?
Bookmarks.
Okay. Okay. Before that, there is something called page navigation. Okay. Right now you're seeing the title. Did I show you that? The page navigation?
No.
Okay.
No.
See, look at this. Right now you're looking at the title tabs. Insert you can use as a step by step. See this? Previous and next. See that?
Hello.
Okay.
See, and then you can change it to history arrows. See, you can basically hide the page display, but the page will come when you click on next. See the difference there?
Yes.
And you can also jump to a page from here. See this? When you have multiple pages. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, next is bookmark. Let me show you what bookmark means. See, okay, look at this image here. There is a report published on server, and you are like a stakeholder, and say like this is Vasundhara and this is say Sudheer. Now whatever Vasundhara is seeing, she like you want to capture this in a bookmark. It's kind of like you bookmark a page, right? A book that you're reading, right? You can bookmark a page so that somebody else who's looking at the same document can see, okay, you had left a note there. Just like that, you can capture the settings. You can capture the filter settings. You can capture the page, which page that you're looking at, or you can capture the filter organization. You can capture the page layout. All these things are combined, and then share it onto the server so that other people who are coming later can look at that, and you can share some information between people, okay, via server. So there will be bookmark available on server which you have saved. And you understand that?
Yes, sir. Little bit. Not
Okay.
fully.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll see how that is done so that you'll be able to better understand that. And these are of two types. These are the normal bookmarks and the special bookmarks. Let's see how they are done. See here, I capture the settings here, and I'm gonna add a bookmark. Okay, now a bookmark got added. Okay. Now see what happens. I reset some of the filters here. Alright. Now I'm going to apply that bookmark. Right, click on that, click on this, apply. See, everything got reset. The filters got reset. So what happened here is, when you create a bookmark, you're saving the state here, and as you go further, and then you click on that bookmark and there's click, say, apply bookmark, the DXP will go back to the previously saved state. See this? Uncheck things, move things around, and when I click on this bookmark and click on apply, see, it goes back to the previous state. It goes back to the state which has been saved in.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It will
Yeah,
not.
got it. But what is
The purpose is, say, you might have come across some findings by playing with the filters. Okay, and say, for example, I'm going to duplicate this. Say this is department. Okay, now we want to check something. And say you have some findings here, okay, and you see that at a budgeted spend starting from 858,000, salary is the highest, and there are some categories which are not even shown there. So based on that, you want to share this finding with others. So what you do is, you click on this bookmark and create a new bookmark. See, that bookmark got created. You can rename it. Okay, now you can say this is finding by Vasundhara. So now this bookmark can be accessed by anybody who is viewing the dashboard on the server. Once you have saved this to the server, you have to click on file and save this dashboard as an item on the server, which you can do by double clicking on users. It will take some time if I click on users. I'll show that later. Now the thing is, you have to do one more thing. See, you see this single image, single body icon there. There's only one person there, right?
Mm-hmm.
What you got to do is you have to make it public so that other people can access it. Right now, only I can access. One person. See,
Okay.
if I make it public, see that icon change there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So now
Under users, it's already saved. Anybody can see it that one public without saving public.
no. Once you save, you can only save it to the users folder there. And
I mean, my users folder
Yes.
or internal servers users folder.
internal servers users folder. Not
So
internal.
that is the case. Yeah.
Not internal. Right now it's a cloud server. But the problem here is we are all using the trial version, which you don't have, which we can't share with anybody. So whatever you're saving there, only we can access, no matter what you do.
Okay.
But
Okay.
but when you look at the corporate environment, you will have, say, a folder which everybody has access to, or at least some people have access to. Okay, some folder
Okay.
structure. On
They
this
can
is-
able to
yeah,
see.
Yeah, this is on the server. So if you save something onto this folder, then other people who have access to that folder will be able to see those items which are saved there. So in this scenario, this is Vasundhara and this is Sudheer. Whatever you have saved here in this DXP as a bookmark can be accessed by Sudheer when he opens the same folder.
Sudheer also.
Yeah, when he opens the same DXP on his machine.
Okay. That thing is private, right?
Now it is public. It should be public.
Okay.
Unless it is public,
Private
you won't be
means-
able to access it.
If private means only I can able to see, right?
Yeah, if it is private, then only you can see that. But if it's public, everybody can see.
Everybody. Okay.
Make sense?
Varun, is it like version control?
No, it's not version control. It is like
Okay.
setting permissions.
Okay.
Okay?
And
Yeah.
if you have TIPCO this background, is it like checkpoint? If you have TIPCO.
Checkpoint is a firewall application. It is different.
No, checkpoint will actually save the latest data, right? Latest whatever this data is there.
Oh, you mean database checkpoint?
No, we have checkpoint activity in TIPCO.
Okay.
So using that, it will whatever, like if the server goes down,
Yeah.
and we will restart it, so it will take it from the later whatever. it
Oh,
is,
this is
whenever
not
it
like
is
that.
down.
This is not like that. See, this is say for collaboration. All right. See, I'll tell you. You have the report developer has published a report onto server, and you people are working on those dashboard. You're just like looking at it, and then you find, hey, I found an anomaly, or I found a pattern there, and then you want to share it with others. How will you share it? See, because you have played with the filters, and those filter settings have to be captured so that you can give it to other people as well, to share that view. You can't.
You can share DXP, right, Varun?
Yeah, you can. See, you will have to share the DXP back. So my point is, suppose you played with lot of filters. You can't tell everybody that, oh, uncheck these filters, click on this one, uncheck this filter, click on the other marking there, and you might have probably limited data using multiple markings, and click on this marking, then you click on this filter. You possibly can't explain all this flow, right?
Okay. And
So
one more thing, whatever the filters we need to put it into the DXP file, we can able to see, right? In DXP also the filter.
The thing is, right, you really can't explain to people, okay, uncheck North England and Pacific, then uncheck salary, and make sure you check events, miscellaneous, and then uncheck or drag the budgeted spend to a particular value, make sure budgeted actual gap is at this level, uncheck 1/10/2009. See, all these instructions you cannot send to people. So, and then say, okay, once you have done this, you will see a view. This view is what I am talking about. You can verbally explain all these things, can you? Maybe you can, but who will bother about doing that, right? So that's a point. So then, instead of that, you save this, you do all these things, and you see the finding there. Okay, then you capture it, just like that. Bookmark it. Click on this, add bookmark. So bookmark got added. Then you rename it so that people can understand what it is. It's my finding. Or say it is here, in this case it's me. So let's say, alright, now I'm going to make it public. Okay, now there is a way to make this accessible. We don't normally expect people to click on this bookmark and then find what are there, what are the things which are there. See, like this, and then right click on it and apply. Instead, what we do is we add a text area. Then we create an action control. Then we click on expand this bookmark, and then we click on this add. Okay, add that bookmark here and say, hey, it's my finding. And it says now we have a button there. So I'm going to reset all the data. Alright, now click on this button, see what happens. See that?
Yeah.
So I'll be sharing this thing here and editing the text area, explaining things, and say, hey, I found something interesting when you click on this, when you filter the data to particular setting, you can see some anomaly in the budget spend of various regions and departments. I have captured these things. And then bookmark and added this button here to trigger it, to check it out. Right? Okay.
Okay.
Now see what happens. And check things. Then I'm going to click on it. See? Very changed. But whatever I've added in the text area is not changing. Or if you add any new pages, that will not go. The settings are captured. These are the things which are captured. See this. These are the items which are captured. Page layout and visualizations. If you have changed the layout of the page, that can be captured. You can capture which one is the active page, which is the active visualization. You can capture the filter settings. Okay. You can capture the filter organization. You can capture the markings, and you can capture the properties. These are the property controls. So all these things can be captured. You can either capture all of them using the generic bookmark here, which is this, or you can capture the special bookmark and then say which of the things that you want. If you want to capture only the filter settings, click that and give a name for it. And then add it as a button or a link. You can add it as a link also. See, look at this. Click on this, edit control. Instead of button, make it a link. See, it is now a link. Right? Now we'll explain. We'll get to the details of like what action controls mean later on after this session. But did you understand the bookmark thing? I would rather let you try it out. So Sudheer, Sudheer, can you try it out first? Or Vasundhara, who's going to do it first?
Give it to Sudheer today, Varun.
Okay.
So, do you want me to continue from slider?
Okay, no problem. I skipped the slider part because it is pretty easy. So I thought like, okay, you would have already done that. Okay.
Okay.
No, give it a try, no problem, no problem. Click new. Click new. Integer. Sliders make sense with numbers. Integer or real. Give a default value. And then, yeah. See, numerical range. You could have selected something else, but sliders make sense only with a numerical range, not those text values.
Okay.
Then you can use that slider to control something else. Here I used to control the bar size, so that is pretty visible there.
Okay. So now, do you want me to go to the bookmark?
Yeah, okay. Click on that. Yeah, click on, yeah. Add bookmark. Okay.
Properties.
Yeah, that's it. So the bookmark that you added right now, it captures the page name and the time. So you can rename it by clicking on that. Okay, before you capture this, why don't you play with some of the filters? Okay, click save. That's okay. Click save. Click save. All right. Now, before you capture a bookmark, why don't you play with the filters so that you will get a visual feedback of resetting the visualization using the bookmark. Uncheck some of the values in the filters. Okay. Now capture a bookmark. Now do that. Okay, now capture. Okay. Alright, now rename it. Top one. No. See See that time?
This one?
See, I mean like the capture bookmark has the page and time.
9, yeah.
Okay. Now, why don't you reset the filters now? Click on that bookmark and click on it, right click on it and select apply. No, not that. The second one. The one that is selected. Okay, so yeah, first one here. Right click on it and click on apply. See? But this is not the way you do it. Instead, you add a action control, a link or a button to trigger that. So reset the filters now. Reset it. Okay. Click on that action control, which is the fourth icon on the menu bar of the fourth from the end on the on the menu bar of text area. Fourth from the back. Yes. Whether it is a link or a button, no problem. Okay. Sudheer 1, right? First one. Yeah. Click on that Sudheer 1 and click on add. Give a text for display text. Oh, anything could be done. All right. So this could be either a button or an image or a link. So that's your choice. If you select image, then you have to browse an image for that.
Okay.
Let's hit with a link. The link is what is normally expected for a bookmark.
Okay.
And click OK. Get out of the edit mode of text area. Then now click on that bookmark. See that?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Next is certain things which are advanced on this, which is a special bookmark, which I won't be able to finish the discussion if I start now. So I'll need another more than 10 minutes to explain what the special bookmark each of them is and display explain one by one. So we'll explain that tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Need some solid time. So Vasundhara, Satish, give it a shot. I mean, give this a try, and I'll upload the videos for today and tomorrow. Okay. Try this.
So you have not uploaded yesterday's class session, right?
Yeah, yesterday I couldn't
And
upload it
yesterday
because
closing the session, you told us
Okay.
yeah, yesterday I was not around, and there was when I came back there was a power failure too, so I couldn't encode the video and upload it. See, when I do this.
Yesterday while
Okay.
Sorry, what?
I'm asking not uploading the. I'm asking uploading not uploading the documents regarding. Yesterday, while finishing the class, before finishing the class, you said this is static, dynamic will do tomorrow, something like you said yesterday.
Your voice is breaking, Vasundhara. We can't.
Scenario is something.
I can't understand what she's saying.
The top
Hold on. Your voice is crackling. So do one thing, drop a mail to Varun. So,
What did she say? Okay. Oh yeah. Please drop.
Okay. some voice problem, I think so, from my end.
Okay. So we'll
Sure,
regroup.
yeah.
Okay, we'll regroup tomorrow.